Assalamu alaikum, my dear brothers and sisters. How are you? Hope all of you are fine and fantastic. My dear brothers and sisters, as from today itself, I am starting the first subject in third semester of your B Pharmacy. Okay, that subject is a pharmaceutical microbiology. In this subject, we will study in detail the 5 units. Total 5 units are there. We will study that 5 units in detail in a very clean manner. Got it? So, my request to you all, if you are new to this channel, Let's Join Pharmacy, then first subscribe my channel, then press the bell icon, because while I am uploading this video, it's my responsibility to reach the video until you. Got it? Yes sir. In unit 1, this is the lecture 1. Okay, unit 1, lecture 1. Here we will discuss about introduction, history and scope of a microbiology. Introduction and history and scope of microbiology. It's a simple and a very minute concept in your microbiology, but it is very important. Without understanding this, what is microbiology and history of this and scope of this microbiology, we cannot reach to our destination. So it is very important. First of all, we discuss about what is this microbiology. My dear brothers and sisters, microbiology, it is a specialized branch of biology that deals with the study of organisms such as which are invisible to naked eyes. Got it? These are the branch of biology which deals about the study of the microorganisms which are not visible to our eyes. Okay, we are studying here about the organisms which we cannot see through our naked eyes. Directly with our eyes we cannot see such type of organisms. The study of that organisms is known as microbiology. Now in Greek we state that micro means small, bios means life, logos means a study. Here the small life study is known as microbiology in Greek. Then the term history we will study. The term microbiology was discovered by Louis Pasteur. Louis Pasteur is one of the scientists, okay, during fermentation process, okay, while he was preparing the alcohol from carbohydrates, means from this sugar cane. At that time he observed or he identified that there is some development of this microorganism, small type of microbes. Okay, you studied even in your lower classes about this Louis Pasteur. Got it? In your HSC or even 10th board, you studied this about his mysterious inventions about this Louis Pasteur. Got it? I am just reminding you all that. Got it? It's not very important, but to your understanding purpose, it is the base. First, improve your base, make strong your bricks first. Got it, my dear brothers and sisters? Now, the 6 groups are studied under microbiology. To study the whole microbiology, we are classified this microbiology into 6 groups. Means the first one is bacteriology. The study of the bacteria is known as a bacteriology. Then mycology, that is study of a fungi. Fungal study is known as a mycology. Study of viruses is known as virology. Today, coronavirus, SARS-CoV virus, then rhinovirus. Many viruses are there in our environment. Okay, that study is depend on virology department, international virology department, Indian virology department. Okay, they are very familiar with this because they will study about the viruses. Okay, got it? Just you remember these, and these is a probability can ask in your 2 marks questions. Got it? Then protozoology means study of protozoans. Then phycology, study of the algal study. Then parasitology means study of parasites, parasite study. That's term is known as parasitology. Yes. Now the prominent applied branches of microbiology. Here see some of the branches are there in microbiology. Means these are prominent, like medical microbiology, pharmaceutical microbiology. Means these microbiology where we utilize in general. See here, the first one is medical microbiology. Means it deals with the study about the infectious disease in human beings. This medical biology is one of the very important subject in the MBBS. Okay, Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery. In that course, this medical biology plays a vital role because it deals with the study about the infectious disease in human beings. Which type of infection is present in the human being? Commonly, you refer that infectious disease due to the presence of these bacteria or fungi or any type of microorganism. Okay, this medical microbiology states this one. Got it? Now, next study about the one more is there. Yes, here pharmaceutical microbiology means study of the organisms which are responsible for the production of antibiotics, enzyme, vaccines and vitamins. Later we will discuss in detail in the next concept, that is about applications of these microbes in the pharmaceutical industry. What is the application of there? Okay, and these study of microorganisms responsible for the production of the antibiotics. How the antibiotics are produced by these microbes, enzymes, vaccines, vitamins, activation of these all. Okay, that terms is nothing but a pharmaceutical microbiology. Now let's discuss about next the applications or the scope of microbiology. See here, in today's generation, microbiology plays a vital role, very exciting role in our human, not only in human body, in whole environment. Because now see, for example, I am saying any disease in the human body is observed means they are just identifying that disease by means of this microbiological tests. Many tests are there. Okay, you will say, sir, that microbes, viruses and bacteria, they are dangerous in nature. Then how can they introduce in the human body? If they introduce means they can produce some of the infectious disease in our human body. My dear brothers and my dear sister, remember one point. In the human body, some bacteria are very helpful and some bacteria are dangerous, and some bacteria, some virus, some microorganisms are very dangerous. Got it? But we cannot think about the dangers, no. We have to think about both. Some are dangerous and some are very helpful, like lactic acid bacillus, very helpful for the production of dairy products. Streptomyces, it's a very important bacteria for the production of penicillin, or for the not penicillin, for the production of your tetracycline antibiotics, oxytetracycline antibiotics. Okay, yes. Now first discuss about this production of antibiotics. See, my dear brothers and sisters, the scope of microbiology in the production of antibiotics, as you know better, antibiotics, these are nothing but capable of inhibiting the growth of microorganisms. Anti means opposite to this microorganisms. We are using antibiotics, and these antibiotics are derived from these microbes. Okay, these are capable of stopping the growth of microorganisms. Antibiotics. These antibiotics mainly of two types. One is bacteriostatic and another one is bactericidals. Just bacteriostatic means stop. Just we are stopping the growth of bacteria or pause the growth of bacteria or inhibit the growth of bacteria is known as bacteriostatic. Then bactericidal nothing but killing the bacteria. Completely we are killing the bacteria. Like today we are using phenol, Dettol, okay, many type of disinfectant we are using in our house. That in disinfectants, bactericidals, they are not static. Cidals means they will completely kill the bacteria. They will kill the bacteria. Got it? Now I will give you some of the example of some bacteria and fungi which produces antibiotics. Very important antibiotics. Okay, and these antibiotics they cross their record in today's life. What we are saying now, today's life, they cross their record. The first one is a Streptomyces aurifaciens. See here, it is a bacterial type of antibiotic. Here it produces the antibiotic known as a tetracycline. That is a Streptomyces aurifaciens. Tetracycline, it is the tricyclic, means 4 cyclic antibiotic. Here basically this tetracycline, it is used in the veterinary products like the veterinaries, means the cow, the buffalo or any type of veterinary animal is suffering from cough or is suffering from diarrhea, we are giving this tetracycline. Then Streptomyces rhinosus, oxytetracycline, it is also a type of oxytetracycline antibiotic which is derived from the bacterium, that is Streptomyces rhinosus. And this oxytetracycline, it is also mainly used in the veterinary purpose. Okay, due to the some of the fever we are using this, or some any other type of the bacterial infection like skin infection, we are using this oxytetracycline. And Streptomyces fredia, neomycin type of antibiotic, antibiotic. Like Neosporin you are observing in your market. Neosporin, it is a powder, okay, antibiotic powder which is applied on your wounds. Okay, now some of the fungal type of antibiotics, that is penicillin notatum, very important, penicillin. See here, this penicillin was discovered by the scientist Alexander Fleming, and this discovery is amazing discovery in the universe, because in past, means while some of the various dangers of microorganisms start attacking to the human beings, at that time many human beings lost their life. Okay, lost their life. Absolutely, the death and the life is given from the creator. Only he will give the death and he will give the life, but the protection is our protocol, no? So to protect that spread of bacteria in the human beings or any in animals, veterinary, what they are they discovered the one bacterium antibiotic, fungal antibiotic, that is a penicillin, by the scientist Alexander Fleming. Okay, today also in this generation we are using penicillin vaccine, vaccine today we are using in market. Mostly now the penicillin is given for veterinary purpose. Now majority in human use also we are giving, like penicillin injection, penicillin vials are the powder form, it is available. While we are mixing the distilled water, they get prepared. This is general knowledge to you all. Next, this is penicillin chirosogenium, this is also a type of penicillin antibiotic. Then claviceps purpurea, that is ergot type of antibiotic. Okay, these are some example of the antibiotics on the basis of bacteria and fungi. Next, the use of these microbes, okay, microbiology in alcohols and vinegar industry. My dear brothers and sisters, the microbes play important role in the production of alcohol. As you know that yeast is used in the fermentation of the carbohydrates. Okay, this yeast fungi, it is used in the fermentation of carbohydrates to produce alcohol. While sugar gets converted into alcohol with the help of this yeast. That is, one glucose molecule is converted into 2 ethanol and 2 carbon dioxide molecule. Got it? Now the production of acetic acid is carried with the help of the bacteria. Acetic acid is nothing but vinegar we are using in cooking purpose as a preservative, or we are using for the taste purpose also this vinegar. Okay, we are using in washing utensils this vinegar, and this vinegar, the production of vinegar is carried with the help of the bacteria. This is the importance of microbiology in alcohol and vinegar, that is acetic acid. Now the importance of microbiology in the vitamin production. There are various types of vitamins obtained from the microorganisms. Example, riboflavin, that is vitamin B2 is obtained from the Clostridium butylicum. Clostridium butylicum, it is a microorganism. It is a minute organism which helps to produce this vitamin riboflavin, that is vitamin B2. Then vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D and vitamin E are mostly found in algae type. Okay, algae type A, C, D and E. Very important vitamins. These are synthesized by means of microbes, okay, by means of microbiology. Then vitamin B, vitamin B12, B6, vitamin C are mostly found in fungi. Fungal type of microbes will give you vitamin B6, vitamin B12, vitamin C. Very important, vitamin C. Not only vitamin C, every vitamin which is essential to the human body is important, and a majority we are today's generation we are observing the essentiality of the vitamin C, because it boosts your immune system and it helps to fight against the various type of the infections. It will boost the immune system. Next, production of acids and enzymes. Mucor helps to produce the citric acid, then Saccharomyces cerevisiae, that is help to invertase, okay, enzyme invertase. Yes, now let's study the production, the use of microbes in cosmetics and perfumes. So you shocked that these microbes also used in the perfumes and cosmetic. What we are today, many generation is using Fair and Handsome, ladies are using Fair and Lovely, many type of perfumes are available in your market, fog, dew, etc. Many types of aerosols are available. These are manufactured, these are fulfilled with by these microorganisms. Some species of lichens like Evernia and Rometania are used for the making perfumery goods and soaps. You observe the smelly nature, you observe the soapy nature, okay, soap in nature, and in soaps you are observing the beautiful smells, the lovely smells. That's because of this microorganisms, okay, primarily Evernia and Rosmetania. Then in dairy products, very important, in dairy products I have told you microorganisms play a vital role, vital role. See here, curd, butter, cheese and ghee are manufactured from bacterial activity like lactobacillus lactis. It is very important microbacteria to produce the cheese. Then streptococcus lactis, it is very important bacteria to produce the curd, butter and buttermilk. Okay, generally lactobacillus lactis in cheese, then streptococcus lactis in curd, butter and buttermilk. Okay, this is the general concept today we discuss, that is about history, introduction and the scope of the microbiology. Okay, my dear brothers and sisters, so this is your today's concept. You don't worry about the notes, I will add these notes in the description, and how much possible, so please share my video with your friends. And these notes which I am providing, these notes are absolutely free notes for you all, and these notes are perfect notes for your examination and for your knowledge purpose, my dear brothers and sisters. Yes, inshallah, in upcoming class we will discuss about the lecture 2 unit 1. There we discuss about introduction of prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Okay, thank you. Assalamu alaikum.